I've been getting like emails, DMs, and messages about this topic, and I wanted to do a video on it. Before I started this business, I was always asking, just like everyone else, people who did have businesses, who were their vendors or who were their wholesalers, and no one gave me an answer. Now that I do have a wholesaler, I know how hard it is to get one, and I understand why no one told me who's their wholesaler. I have 3 tips on how to find a vendor. Now let's start from tip number 1. Tip number 1 is fashion shows. Out here in LA, we do have a lot of fashion shows where they have wholesalers and vendors there already. So that's a perfect way to network. You can even see some of their clothes that they have offered. You can get their contact information and all that jazz. That number 2 is Google. Google will be your best friend. I Google everything, so Google your like your target, what you want to sell. Like you want to sell clothes, you want to sell accessories, you want to sell just jewelry. Just Google whatever you want and then put wholesaler and then put the city or state you're in, whatever. And some of the wholesalers that are online, they do have a physical store where you can go and see the items. You can touch it, you can see if it's thick or thin as in the material. But online, some of the wholesalers require that you have a seller's permit to find the prices and purchase. But I know that they show you the items that they have, but they won't tell you the price of it until you show proof that you have a seller's permit. Third and final tip is out here in LA, we do have a fashion district in downtown, and each store, I'm not gonna say each store, majority of all the stores have wholesaler options there, but you have to buy a pack of 10 or a pack of 6. Majority are 10 and a lot are 6 that you have to buy, and then the more you buy, they give you more discount on. So I suggest if you're in a different state, just still Google and see if you guys do have a fashion district, and just go. So in downtown LA, I swear, all you need is I suggest just all you need like a backpack, some quarters, because you have to pay the meter, and just walk down the alleys, and then you can find wholesalers. You can see their clothes. You can see like the popular clothes. That's just it. Those are the 3 main tips. I hope that my tips are helpful for anyone who is trying to build their brand. And yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.